forward this. So how do you clear your cache in your computer? Well, if you have a regular laptop, this is how you do it. I've opened a new tab, a new internet tab. Yes, I've got a lot open. But you want to hit this little plus sign and it'll open up a new tab in your computer. Okay. Then on the upper right corner here, where we've got the three dots up here, you click on it and you come down here and click on delete browsing data. Now, for me, what I do is I click on advanced. I don't use the basic. I go to advanced, and I personally only do browsing data and cached images and files because there are some things that in download history I don't want to get rid of. I want to have, it's just me. That's how I do my computer. I make sure everything else is unchecked. You do not want to empty your passwords, because if you've done
Never.
Google Password Manager to save your passwords and you have this little box check marked, all your passwords are bye-bye. Okay, so make sure that one is unchecked. So I only check mark these two boxes, browsing history and cached images and files. And then I click the button here that says delete data. And it's done. When it pops back to this screen, it's done. That's the quickest way to empty your cache and make your computer play better, perform better for you. And what's even great, you can do it when you're on a Zoom call. When you're in anything, you can still clear your cache while you have other things going.